Hey everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Sunday, February the 19th, and tonight we are breaking Boombox autograph jerseys. Um, this is actually a 4-box break, and we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized them so they could see who they had a little easier. We then got a Pop It from the gallery. Pop. Well, it is a nice young running back of today, folks. That is a Ajayi. This is JSA custom. It is a custom. That is a Miami hit. That is going to be a hit for JTI. Gonna move into box number 2, folks. Here we go. Gonna pop your seal. Pop. Oh. You know who that is, folks? That is my personal favorite player. Beautiful SIG 2006 MVP with the player hologram. And it's got the GTM Sports Marketing. That is a Mr. LaDainian Tomlinson, folks. Okay, but hang on. Not just any LaDainian. Of course, folks, y'all know. That baby's a Reebok. Alright, folks, that baby is a Reebok. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jersey of my favorite player of the modern era, guys. Very, 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 very nice jersey, guys. And it is an authentic Reebok. Just made it into the Hall of Fame. It's only going to go higher for you. Who's got San Diego? Government. Yep, Gov, and that's a Reebok. Good. So that is box 2, fellas. LT's my favorite player of the modern era, I said. Pop. Well, it's a nice jersey. That's another Steeler out of our set, folks. May not be the Big Ben, but it is a Hines Ward, and it is a Hines Ward stat jersey, folks. It's a beautiful Hines Ward stat jersey. There is your JSA. Beautiful Hines Ward stats jersey. Who's got Pitt? That is a chip hit. Alright, folks, here we go. Here is box number 4. Sorry, gonna get my camera to focus. Pop. Well, we saw one of these babies pulled on day 1, folks. Y'all know what that is? It has both PSA, JSA, and the Jerry Rice holograms. This here again, folks, it is got both certifications. It is a Mitchell and Ness, folks, Pro Bowl jersey. It is a National Football League Mitchell and Ness. All right, folks, and that is going to be a hit for our boy Ox. Beautiful hit for you, Ox. You finally broke your streak. There you go, bud. Way to break it, too. Hopefully that sends you on to bigger and better things. There you go, bud. Great hit for you, Ox. Have a good one. That's going to wrap up that 4-boxer. Have a good one.